In this video, we will review the Argil AI and the realistic AI avatars for UGC and content creation. When you head over to app.argil.ai, you should be able to see this. Here are some examples of their public avatars that you can utilize. You can filter them by gender as well as age if you would want. You can also choose right here the composition like full torso head, close up, selfie, wide, and the likes. So let's choose right here the 916 wide, and here are some options. So for this case, you can just choose the avatar and click on this new video. You can start from scratch, choose article to video as well as fictions like generating lifelike avatar scenes with AI. With this, let's head over and choose this article to video. Pick your avatar from the list and input right here the article link that you want. So once you have inputted right here your article, you can just right here the duration. It can be social or classic for around 2 minutes. Just right here and add some additional instruction if available and click on this generate video. So some users actually review Argil AI as a very good tool. However, some users also report that there are some bugs with it and the actual output is not so desirable. However, there's also some pros since they offer a lot of avatars to choose from. They offer AI clone feature, UGC and content creation, and built-in smart editing. The cons is their limited free plan, voice quality, as well as their avatar library selection and more limited and lower tier plans. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.